Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time. Welcome to a brand new episode of mine. 7 things that you need to know about the DJI Air 2S drone, summed up in one video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to never miss any of my upcoming episodes again. A product link can as always be found in the description right below the video. Stay tuned and fly safe. The DJI Air 2S is super compact. It fits in every backpack and can be folded for transportation, or of course unfolded for flying. Getting it cleared for takeoff takes less than 30 seconds. And guess what? The drone is not only compact but also lightweight. It weighs only slightly less than 600 grams. Therefore, the drone's weight and size are ideal for travelers. Larger sensors generally mean a higher image quality, improved low-light performance, and an increased dynamic range. And that is why professional 1-inch sensors were reserved for larger and more expensive drones, but only until today. The large 1-inch sensor of the DJI Air 2S drone is a significant leap forward. It enables photographers and videographers alike to record more professional imagery. And the results look astonishing. The small drone with the large sensor shoots crisp and clean, detailed photos and videos and is excellent for advanced content creation. We're not done with the camera yet. The next major highlight is the video resolution of the new DJI Air 2S drone. 4K is out and 5.4K rules. The massive resolution sets a new standard and offers a ton of possibilities in post-production. Also, shooting in 5.4K means shooting future-proof videos that you will be able to enjoy in many years from now. Don't forget how high 5.4K resolution actually is. Take a look at the comparison. The higher resolution is exactly what ambitious videographers have been waiting for. If you want to take a closer look at the original footage recorded with the DJI Air 2S drone in clean 5.4K, then you can download test files for free and without a registration on my website www.tomstechtime.com/drone footage. By the way, in case that you're looking for original photo files, you'll also find them there. tomstechtime.com/drone footage. By the way, if you want to become a professional aerial videographer and learn all the skills necessary to create breathtaking videos with your drone, then you should enroll in my online course today. More than 5 hours of video lessons, downloadable cheat sheets, and so much more are waiting for you. The course is available now on www.tomstechtime.com/courses. ADSB stands for Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast. The DJI Air 2S is equipped with an ADSB receiver.
Manned aircraft approaching. Fly at a safe altitude.
It means that you receive a warning once an airplane or a helicopter approaches your drone. Next, the transmission range. The drone has 4 inbuilt antennas. They transmit the signal over a distance of up to 7.4 miles. That is crazy far. Though under normal circumstances you will really never need to fly out that far, plus that flying out of sight is forbidden in most countries anyways. But having such a powerful transmission system means never suffering from a poor connection. And the connection is nothing but tremendous. The signal simply never interrupted. Let's see how well the DJI Air 2S performs under the most difficult of all conditions. It is snowing, it is storming, and it is freezing cold. Let's take it to the test. Let's record 1 or 2 beautiful aerial shots of this church right behind my back. While the weather is crazy in Iceland. I'm absolutely impressed. by the DJI Air 2S's flight capabilities. It handled these extreme conditions as if I was flying on the beach, 20 degrees, no wind. It is absolutely insane. What a robust piece of technology. I cannot say it any different, but that was rocking crazy. By tapping and holding onto the smartphone screen, you can freely move the gimbal. And not only up and down, but full 60 degrees to the left and 60 degrees to the right. It enables you to shoot very creative videos. I think that being able to move the gimbal sidewards is an underrated upgrade that can actually make a major difference. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to never again miss any of my upcoming videos. A product link can be found in the description below the video, and also a link pointing at my new course. Enroll today and save up to 15% when using the code AIR2S. You will learn how to create professional aerials with your drone. All links, as always, in the description below the video. Thank you guys for watching. Over and out from Iceland.